So it's a quick tutorial on reverse bay parking. Now you can see the car driving out there. So it's not a fast speed, and I'm getting myself parallel to the bays on the left. And what am I going to do in a few seconds? I've already put a yellow sticker on the windscreen of the passenger window halfway across, and I'm going to stop the car for a second when a yellow strip lines up with a white line. See it there? And the idea is two white lines, 1, 2, and then the third white line's your bay. You see one empty bay, 2 empty bays. It's going into the bay for the third bay, and that's a little reference point. Now everyone has different reference points, so it's just a matter of trying it, trial and error, and just working out where your turning point is, because obviously you sit in a different position than the next person who comes along in the car. Different heights, different seating positions. Then looking from the inside of the car here, good observation before you move off, so that's quite important. And as I'm going forward, I'm bringing the steering to the left, getting myself parallel to the bays, straightening the wheels back up as I'm going forward, and then obviously handbrake as I stopped, pop it in reverse, looking behind me, not rushing, taking my time. There's the inside of the yellow sticker, lining up with a white line. As it lines up, I'm full lock to the left, looking round over my shoulders, taking my time, slowing the car down. When I'm looking round, I'm also glancing in the mirrors, because what I'm looking for is I'm looking at that left mirror, see if the back tyre is going in the bay, which is where the white line is. You can see it there coming up now. As it's coming in, I'm slowing the car down, giving myself plenty of time to straighten my wheels up. As I'm going into the bay, I'm slowing the car down again, so I'm not racing into the bay. And as you can see in the last clip here, as I'm going forward again, just a different angle, taking my time, not rushing, straightening the car up, slowing down. It's all about taking your time, looking round. It's not a rush. You've got plenty of time to do the manoeuvre. Looking round again, moving off slowly. And it's all about observations, controlling the car. And if you take your time, you can always spot if the car is going in the wrong place, or someone's moved, or someone steps behind you. You've got plenty of time to stop then. So as I'm checking my mirrors, and I know if it's going in the bay. If it isn't, I can stop the car and go forward, or I can adjust the steering to get myself into the bay. As I'm coming in, I'm slowing down, and as you get into the bay, you always slow yourself down more, so that you've got time to stop. Last thing you want to do is reverse into the lamppost or into a fence. So I hope you like this quick video. If you do, click like, subscribe, and look out for my next video.